In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or import a calendar to Outlook 365. By the end, you'll confidently bring in a calendar from a link or a file so it shows up right alongside your existing Outlook events. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft.com. On the homepage, look for the All Microsoft menu, click that to see a list of Microsoft products, then choose Outlook. This takes you to Outlook on the web, which is the simplest place to add or import calendars for Outlook 365. Click Sign In and enter your account credentials to access your mailbox. Once you're in, switch to your calendar. You can do this by clicking the calendar icon usually found along the left side of the Outlook interface. When your calendar view opens, find the option labeled Add Calendar. This is where you choose how you want to bring in the new calendar. You'll see two main options: subscribe from web or upload from file. Let's break down what each one does and when to use it. If you pick subscribe from web, you're connecting to a calendar that lives online. Paste the calendar's URL into the box. This is typically an .ics link from a service like a school calendar, a sports schedule, or another calendar provider. Make sure the link is accessible and, if needed, set to public sharing so Outlook can read it. Subscribing is great because it keeps your calendar updated automatically when the source changes. After you've pasted the URL and reviewed that everything looks right, click Import. Outlook will add this as a new calendar in your list, and updates from the source will flow in over time. If you choose Upload from File instead, you're bringing in a calendar file from your device. Click Browse, and your file manager will open. Navigate to the ICs file you want to add, select it, and confirm. This method is perfect for a one-time import like a downloaded event list or a calendar someone sent you. Once you've selected the file, click Import. Outlook will add those events to a calendar for you to view alongside your others. Keep in mind, uploads don't automatically update. If the source changes, you'd need to import a new file later. That's it. You've learned how to add or import a calendar into Outlook 365 using either a web subscription or a local file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.